What's good with the YouTube? I hope everybody's having a blessed and dope day today. Spring is right around the corner, and y'all know what that means, right? It's time to pull out those spring fragrances. Man, oh man, I cannot wait. I can't keep saying it enough. I can't wait for spring and all of the good weather that it brings. Today, I'm bringing y'all another certified pickup. Today is a nice blue inspiration fragrance. It's crisp, it's aromatic, it's aquatic. It is all the things that a grown man needs for spring. It is an inspiration of Ralph Lauren's Polo Blue. From the house of alt fragrances, we have Blue Horse. Like I said, a nice, crisp, aromatic, you know what I'm saying, aquatic blue fragrance. It opens up with, you know, some mandarin orange, some melon, some cucumber in the top. Moves throughout the fragrance. I mean, you get some geranium, some sage, patchouli, which is one of my favorite notes. Some musk in there, some woody notes, and it is like one of those zestfully clean commercials. You know what I'm saying? You're not fully clean unless you're fully clean. That's how I feel when I put this thing on. I was actually able to grab this from the money I accumulated on Flip. If you have not seen my Flip app video, you might want to check that one out. You know, get you a product for free in a sense, because I didn't pay for this. I just used the money that I, you know, earned on Flip picking this one up. But I am really enjoying this fragrance. This is an inspiration of the EDT concentration of Ralph Lauren's Polo Blue. However, they do the extract they perform concentration of all their scents. I don't know how true that is, but it's supposed to have, you know, more longevity, you know, more power, and, you know, more punch, you know, behind this scent. But I don't know if it is or if it ain't, you know what I'm saying, because I don't work there. However, this thing does pack a punch. Like I said, it is real zestfully clean, like that Irish Spring Blue bar soap. Just a nice, fresh, you know what I'm saying, crisp fragrance that, man, I just can't get enough of right now. Haven't had this bottle long. You can see that I've already kind of put somewhat of a dent in it, but yeah, I actually smell the EDT version of Polo Blue in Sephora, and I like this concentration better. Like I said, I do feel like this is a extract de perform, as they say, or whatever, just based off, you know what I'm saying, the results I've been getting so far. I get about 6 to 8 hours on skin with this one. Nice projection or whatever. I would say the projection on there is about a couple of hours, maybe 2 to 3 hours of projection. This been one of these fragrances that I've been like putting on right as I came out the shower. Like, I knew that I enjoyed it, but I ain't know how good it was until, like I said, I took one of those showers, sprayed it on, you know what I'm saying, and then I came out towards the living room, and the missus was like, "Hey, you smell good," you know what I'm saying? Like, I mean, it was, the words don't really give the way she said it, you know what I'm saying, but it was kind of like one of those, "Oh, you like that, huh? You like that, huh?" So, yeah, if you like fresh, crisp, like I said, aquatic, you know, blue, freshy scents, this one is a pretty good one to pick up from Alt Fragrance. And you can save yourself some money too, because I know they have like the 3 for $99 sale always going on. Seems like they're always giving 20% off at a time, and then I know you can get 5 for $150, but compared to the like the EDT version and the cost and everything, like, I would probably go with this one or whatever over Ralph Lauren's EDT. It comes in a Dollar Tree type box. Here's the box. Ain't nothing special about these boxes from Alt Fragrance. Like, very much Dollar Tree, very much Family Dollar. You know what I'm saying? But I'm glad the juice, you know what I'm saying, gives a lot more than the box does. Not really much going on with the bottle. Like, they just put a little sticker on there. Quality control be all over the place, because sometimes it's straight, sometimes it's crooked or whatever. But like I said, it's what's inside the bottle that counts. Be careful when you know, taking the tops off these bottles and when you first get your bottle from Alt, because sometimes these caps may be a little unscrewed or whatever. Like I said, quality control. But this ain't nothing but a little plastic top. Nothing to write home about. Same for the atomizer or whatever. But what I will say is that the 60 ml bottles and atomizers are way better than the 30 ml bottles of atomizer. Like, I got some 30s and some 60s from Alt Fragrance, and the first time I picked up, I think it was a 5 for 150 order. All of them were like 30 mls, and I got the Mrs. one, and hers came in a 60 ml. And when I sprayed it, I was just like, dang, why my bottles don't spray like that? Saw a few reviews from other folks, and they was just like, yeah, there's definitely a difference between the 60 and the 30 ml. But don't let that deter you from, you know, getting a 30 if you want to just try it out and not spend as much money. I'll have to post what I actually paid for this, because like I said, I got this off the Flip app. I didn't actually get this from Alt Fragrances, but they do have this one on their website. I'll give y'all a hit of that atomizer real quick. Like, even when I take off the top, like, I could just smell that fresh, you know what I'm saying, straight out the shower. You know, this is one of those ones when your old lady, you know what I'm saying, pause, you know, no disrespect to the women, but you know, when you're woman, you know what I'm saying, some of y'all might not get the reference with the old lady, but if you do, you do. You relate. But when your old lady, you know what I'm saying, ain't talking to you, you know, y'all had one of those silly, you know, conversations. I ain't gonna call it an argument or nothing like that, but you know how it be or whatever. This is one of the ones that you grab, you know, and spray on yourself after you hop out the shower, and just go sit on the couch right next to her and see how long it take before she say something to you. You know what I'm saying? This is one of the ones you spray on, and she gonna want to get closer to you. You know what I'm saying? So if anything, you know, you might want to put this one in your back pocket just in case you get some of that doghouse or couch treatment. But we gonna go straight into the atomizer here. Let me turn that AC off because I don't want to spray it all in my face. Oh, see the nice big cloud of nice, like I said, mandarin orange, fresh melon in the beginning or whatever. Just a nice blue aquatic dumb reach, you know what I'm saying? You cannot go wrong. It's not offensive at all, and I think that, you know, the majority of people would enjoy this one, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, from the house of Alt Fragrance, I had somebody post in one of the videos and say that if you buy something from a place and it seems too good to be true, then it is. Well, one thing I know is the nose don't lie, and mine don't. I mean, it smells good to me, and I've gotten compliments every time I've worn this. So you be the judge, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, Blue Horse, spring ready. I'm about to say spring bling. This could be some spring bling for you right now in a different type of way, but nice spring fragrance. You know, go ahead, get you some. And yeah, I will most definitely pop back in with some more spring fragrances for y'all, and just some other of my favorites in general, and some that I picked up that I, you know what I'm saying, don't care for as much, so maybe I can save you some money. If you like what you've seen so far, hit that like button, subscribe button. This is the fragrance portion of the channel. I got more videos on other things, you know what I'm saying, outside of fragrances coming. So don't be afraid, you know, that you've seen a lot of fragrance videos. Your boy, you know what I'm saying, is all over the place in a sense, but I am a jack of all trades and I like what I like. So we'll see how this go. But if you made it this far, you know what I'm saying, you one of my MVPs or whatever, and I appreciate y'all hitting that like button, hitting that subscribe button, and every comment, you know what I'm saying, means a lot, especially for a small channel, a small time YouTuber like myself. So y'all know how it is, y'all know how it go. Be more like God, tell somebody you love them, and I will see y'all in the next one. Grab this, put it in y'all face, let go.